Hello friends, welcome to Queen Chef. In this video, we will see a spicy version of egg curry. There are numerous ways and egg recipes made in India, but today we are going to prepare omelette masala curry. Though it is more process to make, finally it will be very tasty. It is an excellent side dish for rice, chapati, also with pulao recipes. Let's get started. For that, first in a mixing bowl, I am going to add 3 eggs. To this, we will add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onion and 1 tomato, 1 sprig of curry leaves. Beat well. Now add half teaspoon of cumin seeds, quarter teaspoon of coriander powder, quarter teaspoon of garam masala powder that gives good aroma, half teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of chili powder. Add 1 or 2 tablespoons of boiled milk. Stir well. Also add salt to taste and mix it. Next, heat dosa pan and spread oil. On low flame, we are going to pour an egg mix. Spread all the sides immediately. Add few drops of oil. Once it gets cooked, let me start to roll it. No need to flip another side. When it's turned golden brown on bottom side, just roll gently. We should give more attention to this step. Roll from this edge to that edge. Perfectly came. Next, using spoon or knife, we have to cut it like medium size as shown. That's it, all egg pieces are ready. Repeat the same process for remaining of the egg mix. Let me prepare a curry for egg. For that, heat 2 tablespoons of oil. When it is hot, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, few cumin seeds and fennel seeds. Along with these, add half cup of finely chopped big onion. Saute it for a while. Also add 2 red chilies. Now I am adding tomato puree. I have blended 2 medium size and saute it until the raw smell goes off. Same time, oil will get separates. When oil gets separates, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute it until the raw smell of ginger garlic goes off. Pour little water to avoid burnt. If it will be dry, you can add further. Now I will add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of cumin powder, quarter teaspoon of pepper powder, quarter teaspoon of garam masala powder, half teaspoon of chili powder. Give it a mix well. Next I am going to pour sufficient water. It's may about 250 ml. Allow it to cook on medium flame until it gets thickened slightly. When it starts boiling, keep stirring occasionally to avoid burnt. At this stage, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of curd or yogurt. Give it a mix once. It's reached thick texture. The consistency of the curry can be adjusted depending on your preference, like whether it is going to served with rice, chapati or else. For me, it's correct stage. So finally add few curry leaves. Also add required salt to this. Then mix it once and then turn off the heat. That's it, our omelette masala curry is ready to serve now. I have garnished it with curd and curry leaves. Serve along with pulao, chapati or else it will be superb. So do try it once at your home. Enjoy and share your comments. If you like this video, do share and subscribe the Queen Chef. Thank you.